In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color in Adobe Express. Whether you're new to the app or simply want a quick refresher, we'll walk through opening a project, adding a photo, and applying a color effect so your image stands out. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're logged in so your projects and assets sync correctly. If you see a sign-in prompt, use your usual Adobe credentials and proceed. Logging in ensures that any changes you make are saved to your account and available the next time you open the app. On the home screen, you can scroll to locate your recent designs. If you already have a project in progress, click your stuff on the left to access it quickly. If you're starting fresh, choose Start New Design. This begins a clean canvas, which is perfect for demonstrating color controls without distractions. Go ahead and click Start New Design. Next, pick an orientation that suits your goal. Landscape for widescreen displays, portrait for stories or flyers, or square for social posts. Choosing the right orientation now helps your layout fit its destination later, reducing the need for resizing. Inside the editor, look to the upper left and click Add Content. From the options, select Media, then choose Photo. Here you can browse images on your computer or pull from available libraries. Drag a sample photo onto your canvas. If it arrives smaller or larger than expected, you can adjust it by dragging the corner handles and use the alignment guides to center it neatly. Click the photo to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when you see the bounding box around it. On the left side, open Effects. Within Effects, locate the color options, such as Colorize or similar styles, and click a sample color to apply it to your image. This instantly tints the photo and unifies your palette. Hovering over different styles previews the look, and many offer an intensity control so you can keep it subtle or go bold depending on your design. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, logged in, started a new design with the right orientation, added a photo, and applied a color effect. Take a moment to explore a few variations so you can find the tone that best fits your project. When you're happy, you're ready to continue designing with text, graphics, and layout.